Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. With this great weather we've been having, spring gardening time is here already. Hopefully, you have been getting your plant areas all prepared by adding a 3 to 4 inch layer of good organic mulch or compost to your soil and mixing it in to a depth of 10 to 12 inches. This will add a fresh layer of organic matter and keep the soil fluffy for new fragile roots to grow in. Our Dr. Q's vegetable and herb mix is perfect for this job, along with our gold dust starter fertilizer that will replenish the nutrients used by last season's plants. If you haven't started yet, you still have some time to get those soil amendments, fertilizers, and garden supplies needed for your veggie and herb garden. If you are growing from seed, you can start your seeds in growing trays inside the house or garage. Now is a great time to check out our new seed displays and pick out some of the new varieties that are available this year. Certain types or varieties of some vegetables are not always available in plant starters when the season begins. For example, items like beans, corn, and peas normally come in only one variety in plants. Items like carrots, radishes, spinach, and turnips are seldom even grown as plant starters. If you are interested in planting any of these in specific varieties, you should be looking for seed packets to plant right now. Seed packets offer a much better selection of organic, heirloom, specialty, and newer vegetable varieties. Right now, a huge selection of garden herbs and vegetable seeds are available. Herb varieties like thyme, sage, and mint are already arriving in 4-inch pots. Some of the worm season vegetable plants have already started arriving in our stores as well. So plan on getting in early to get the best selection. Watch the weather forecast and when needed, protect your plants with insulate or other covering to prevent freezing. Empty nursery containers or cardboard boxes also work well. Just use a rock on top to keep the wind from blowing them over. The best placement for your garden is on the east side of the house, where it can get 6 to 8 hours of good sunlight in the morning and afternoon shade. It just takes the right place, the proper preparation, and the right products to get the job done. For more information on this topic, get a free copy of our Star Notes number 205 and number 215 at any of our stores or at starnursery.com. And while you're there, be sure to register for our next free seminar on veggie and herb gardening at 10 a.m. Saturday, February 17th. Don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.